Find the sum of interior angles of a polygon having 19 sides. So we know that the sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So what you're going to do here is just to plug here, because n is equal to 19. We have 19 sides. So in place of n, we'll plug in 19, and then we just work out what that will give us. And that will be 3060 degrees. Find the number of sides of a polygon which has the sum of interior angles of 3600. So the first thing that we need to do is, again, we know the formula. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides, it's equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. But in this case, we have the sum, and the sum is 3600. So we are trying to find n, okay? We are trying to find the number of sides. We don't know what n is. So what we need to do is we need to focus on this equation and solve for n. So the first step will be the opposite of multiplying by 180 is divided by 180. So we'll go n minus 2 will be equal to 3600 divided by 180, which will be equal to can write that in the next step, which will be equal to 20. So n minus 2 will be equal to 20. The opposite of subtracting 2 is adding 2. So n will be 20 plus 2. N will be 22 sides. Example 3. Find the size of each interior angle of a regular undecagon. Now, undecagon, remember it's regular. The undecagon is 11 sides, so n is equal to 11. Now, because this is a regular polygon, we can divide by the number of sides to get the value of each interior angle. What I mean is this. Each interior angle of a regular polygon, so each interior angle remember here I'm talking about a regular polygon, okay? So each interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides will be equal to n minus 2, which is basically multiplied by 180, which is the sum of all interior angles, divided by n. Because if you have n sides, it means you have n interior angles. And we want to find each interior angle, so we divide by n. So the next step is just plugging in n, which is 11 in place of n. So we'll have 11 minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by 11. Just plug that in your calculator and you'll get 147.3 degrees to one decimal place.